Female bartender brutally killed during armed robbery in Manchester. Welder charged with serious stabbing inside halfway tree jail cell. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A female bartender was brutally shot and killed during a reported robbery at a bar in New Green, Manchester on Wednesday. The identity of the deceased has not yet been revealed. Preliminary reports suggest that about 1 p.m., armed men invaded the bar in New Green Square. The bartender was held up and cash was reportedly taken from the establishment before she was shot multiple times. The gunmen then fled the scene in a waiting motor vehicle. The police were subsequently alerted, and on their arrival, the woman was seen laying in a pool of blood inside the bar. The Manchester police are probing the development. 36-year-old Kurt Douglas, a welder of Roden Crescent, St. Andrew, has been charged with wounding with intent relative to an incident at the Halfway Tree Police Station lockup on Wednesday, December 13, 2023. Reports are that about 10:45 a.m., an argument developed between Douglas and one of his cellmates. A tussle ensued, and Douglas reportedly used a makeshift knife to stab the cellmate several times. The injured man was taken to hospital where he was treated. Douglas was charged on Tuesday, April 30, and is awaiting a court date.